awesome, right? Yeah! Super duper cool! Look at Marcel.
Hello.
I'm getting confused. Hey guys! Wow! Drifting skills! You were so fast, Maya. Hey, baby boy! Were you trying to drift too, Hulyan? And Markslen is pushing the fire truck, the fire engine. Give way, Markslen. Maya is going for a drift. Drift, Maya. Whoa! A Thomas scooter. Mommy, can you brush Maya's hair? Are you going to drift, Hulyan? What the? You hit the controller. Do it again.
That was because of Marksman, that's why.
Give way, Markslen.
Yeah, not give way.
But be careful, ha? Don't hit Markslen.
Okay. Doggy! Oh my gosh.
Wow.
My leg. Oh my gosh, that's one now. Mommy! No more watching my hair.
Markslen, give way for Hulyan.
Beep, beep.
He's going for a drift.
Beep, beep, beep.
Mommy, can you get the fire truck?
Beep.
Okay, boy, there's your fire truck. Whoa! Yeah! Drifting skills.
I'm good, right?
Maya, Hulyan, get the Mickey Mouse ride on.
Where is it?
Maya, where's the Mickey Mouse ride on?
He's not like this. We need more space. Ready? Set,
Go!
go.
Yeah! Wow! They drifted.
I bet, right?
Both of you are good.
It's not me, I make you boom.
Yeah!
I make
Do it again, Maya and Hulyan.
wait, first me. I think I can be a better drifter.
Okay, another drifting playtime.
First me because I'm good.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah?
Super!
I did it again.
Super awesome!
Oh yeah, this.
Yay! Maya's turn. Maya's turn. Wow! Yeah! Super drifting. Super drift.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this yes, didn't, and I think this time's small. But I'm better, right?
Both of you are good,
No, I'm
Hulyan.
better, so make you put
Okay, okay, whatever. You're better than Daddy.
No, I'm better than Mama's buddy.
What's that?
Oh yeah, I can do it. I can make it higher.
Are you playing volleyball?
I can make it higher, look.
Okay, show us. Wow!
Oh yeah, that's you. Mine's higher, Maya. Yeah!
Wow! Up to the ceiling! Whee!
Mine's higher still, Maya.
Can you do that, Markslen?
Wait, now.
Markslen can do that. Markslen, no, Markslen. Maya, share it with Markslen, Maya. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay, where's the Lamborghini? Where's the white Lamborghini?
The white marksman mobile.
Okay, Hulyan. Okay, drifting action time.
Wait.
Wow, yeah. Can you do that, Mommy? Only Hulyan can do it. Yeah. He's good, huh?
Oh yeah. That's the idea.
What idea again? What idea?
Borrowing.
Markslen wants to drive it. Ah, Markslen. What, Hulyan?
I can blow them with a balloon. I made that man.
It's okay, Hulyan.
Oh yeah, look at me.
Just use the Lamborghini.
This is for Yan.
Okay. Three more bowling pins. Three more left. Yeah. Super. Markslen. Okay, Markslen, drive it.
Okay.
Mommy, can you drive it with Markslen? The Lamborghini RC.
You made the god.
Lamborghini Aventador. That's an excavator truck, Hulyan. A construction truck.
Okay, misters.
Do not crash the car. Do not crash the Lambo. Yeah. Markslen, drive.
I'm crushing it.
Drive.
I'm crushing it in pieces.
Don't do it. Ah. That was so funny.
I did crush it. I'm gonna try. See, I'm crushing
Rock rolling.
I'm crushing it because I'm a tank.
Car crawling. Car crawling.
I'm crushing it because I'm a tank. Take a
Go flip it. Flip it. Flip the truck. Yeah. Who's driving the car? Oh, Maya.
I'm scared. Take this.
Ah, silly boy.
That's the super. That's the kind of the cannon. A laser. You ready?
What, Hulyan?
Tug of war.
Tag of war.
Yeah. Ready? Set. Go. 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 Yeah. There you go.
Yeah! The Lamborghini wins!
No, I I went because I'm stronger.
Yeah, but look what happened.
I know, but that doesn't.
It's on its side.
But that doesn't count.
It flipped.
It doesn't count because I was on it and I went past the Lamborghini. That's why.
Whatever.
Okay, again.
Again, Maya, one more time. Tug of war.
Okay.
Maya doesn't like it.
Okay. Hey.
Okay, mommy will do it. Go, mommy.
Let's go one time. Wait, it's here. I
Go.
got it.
Yeah.
Again.
Which one wins?
Nobody wins except for the tank. I'm gonna take this. You are so big. Yeah. Good luck. Yeah. I got the car.
The cord got tangled up. Okay.
Sorry, my friend.
Mommy, can you drift?
Hey, stop.
Try it,
stop,
mommy.
Stop. You're so gonna get tangled.
Hey, what are you doing, boy?
Making it get tangled.
Mommy doesn't like it.
I like it. Oh yes, this we like it. Yeah. Yes.
Silly boy.
Tug one more time. Yeah. Oh yeah. I get all the tugger ones. Oh yeah. You're so good.
Maya, no.
Do this shit.
Hey,
Yeah. Take
hey.
Oh no! I'll keep tangling it for a minute. Oh yeah!
Ah.
Hulyan.
Hey,
Oh no.
hey. Silly boy, bring it back here. What, Hulyan?
Shoot them.
Yay! Yay! What are you holding there? A helicopter? Woo! Silly kids! Yay! Big explosion! Yeah! Silly boy! Crazy. Hey, stop it, stop it. Okay, I'm going to sign out now. These kids have gone crazy again. Okay, signing off.
Stop the train!
Stop the train. Okay, bye, Maya. Bye.
Wait, stop.
What?
For what?
What? Crazy Hulyan. Bye.
Oh, you made Patito scared.
Yeah, you scared him. Hulyan. You and Hulyan, you scared him. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Nice drifting skills, eh?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Lamborghini Aventador! Voila! A white Lamborghini RC! A 1/10 scale Lamborghini Aventador! Nice! Made by Maisto! Cool! It's a full function RC! Tri-channel! Okay, everything is included! The batteries and the charger.